Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive a page in Webflow, even though there isn't a built-in archive feature. If you've ever found yourself wanting to hide an old page, maybe because you're updating content, cleaning up your site, or simply want to keep things organized, this is the method for you. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 simple ways to effectively archive a page, keeping your site neat without losing valuable work. So let's get right into it. First off, it's important to know that Webflow doesn't offer an official archiving option. If you're looking for an archive button, you just won't find it. But don't worry, there are still practical ways to achieve the same result. Let's start with the first method. Go ahead and open up your Webflow project as you normally would. Navigate to the Pages panel on the left side. Find the specific page you want to archive. Maybe it's an old landing page or a seasonal promo you don't need right now but might use again later. Once you're on that page, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button, but there's more to it than just hitting Save. Right next to it, there's a little drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down and you'll see an option that says Save as Draft. Selecting Save as Draft is essentially Webflow's way of removing the page from being publicly visible on your published site without deleting the actual content. Think of it like putting important paperwork in your desk drawer. It's not out on display, but you still know exactly where to find it if you need it. This is a great solution when you want to keep the page for possible future edits or reuse, but you don't want people stumbling across it right now. The second method is especially helpful if you have a collection of pages you'd like to keep together. In the Pages panel, you can create a new folder. Let's call it Archive for clarity. By creating this folder, you're essentially setting up a neat storage box right within your project. To do this, just click the folder icon or select the option to add a new folder. Name it something clear like Archive or Old Pages. Once your folder is ready, it's time to move your pages. Go to the page you want to archive and look for the gear icon. This is your page settings button. Give that a click and you'll see an option to select a parent folder. Choose the archive folder you just created. This shifts your old page into your new archive folder, keeping your workspace organized and making sure you know exactly where everything is. It's a bit like cleaning up your home. You're not throwing anything away, but you are putting seldom used items into a labeled box to keep your main areas tidy. That's it. Those are the most effective ways to archive a page in Webflow. It's all about making your workspace as clean and organized as possible, even if you have to get a little creative with the tools provided. Remember, these steps won't delete any content. You can always retrieve or reactivate any page you've drafted or organized into a folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, like if you're unsure which method would be best for your specific situation, drop a comment below. I love helping out in the discussion. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.